We are charging at a Tesla. First time for the Connor family.
Welcome to another episode of Out of Spec Dave, where today, hopefully, is going to be a historic day. We're a little late to the party. I got a bee buzzing all over me. He's even excited. But today, Kathy's got a secret weapon, and right over there, you'll see V3 Teslas. Now, there is an apple green right behind us for CCS. Here we are in Darien at the road stop. But today, Kathy, what do you have? Looky here. She's got the adapter.
Ta-da!
And for those of you who missed the email or the notice, Porsche now support the adapter for charging on a V3 NAX or higher. So
Can I just say, finally?
finally, we're going to hear all of your,
Finally.
you know, like you've been waiting for this for a long time.
Almost a year.
And for those of you who watched our road trip back from Florida to Connecticut, we tried to jump the gun down in, where were we?
Tampa, St.
Pete. We couldn't get it to work. But we're going to be doing it today. So let's get into this. This is going to be, at least for our family, historic.
This is exciting. Let's go. I want to go over there.
All right, let's do it.
This.
Well, that didn't work at Darien. I don't know what happened to the clips that we filmed there, but we plugged in, we tried. It's a V3, but one of the things I realized is not all V3s are actually compatible with the NAX adapter. Some of the older ones, they can't do the handshake right. So what we did, we drove up to Harriman. So this is up by Route 17 and where the thruway meets. And there's a big shopping mall there, which is a little bit dangerous. But let's pick this up. Maybe this one says it will work, whereas the one in Darien on 95, both the northbound and the southbound side, it was not on the map, not available. So this is something I learned. Not every V3 will work with the NAX adapter. Oh man, this is so complicated.
Okay, so here we are in Harriman. What do they call this place here, Kathy?
This is Woodbury Commons.
Woodbury Commons. Very dangerous because they're shopping right over there, like lots and lots of shopping. So we haven't been here in a long time, Kathy.
Well, it's not just shopping. It is a massive outlet.
Massive outlets.
You know, it's the outlets.
Yeah.
And it just has everything from high end
Yeah.
to low end. Yeah, it's been probably 20 years since we've been here.
But more importantly than that, look what's here. We have
a charge here.
these are V3s, definitely V3s, and it says with the Macan in the app that we're going to charge here. So let's do it. All right, Kathy. So you've brought up your Tesla app, right? And you've said charge your other vehicle, non-Tesla vehicle.
Right, we put in the Porsche Macan.
Right.
So now it looks like I'm ready to start charging. So I'm going to look at where we're at. We're at 3C.
3C.
I'm going to find that. So I'll hit 3C, and we will get started.
Get started. Go ahead. Okay.
See what happens.
So now you can. Oh, hold on. You got to add billing instructions.
Okay, so
Let me.
shut it off and let's do that.
All right. All right. So you've added my credit card. I love that. You've added your address, and now you're going to say.
I said now it's saying update billing profile. I updated it. Okay. I go back. Start charging. All right. So
Okay. So go ahead and say start. Did you say click?
I didn't think I'd start charging till I put in my adapter.
Just click start charging. Yeah. Okay. Now.
Oh, now it tells me to attach the adapter and plug in.
Yep. Go ahead and do that.
All right. Remove the handle from the dock.
You want me to do it, or do you want to do it? You just.
Well, if you want comic relief, let me.
All right. Let's do it. Yeah. All right. Here we go.
We always know how these things go with me.
Okay.
Okay, it's this side.
This is historic. Jam it in there fast, girl.
All right.
Good.
Oh, I did it.
Okay, good.
I'm off to a good start.
Now, let's see if the door
The
opens.
door locked already, I think.
Oh,
So
gee.
yeah, this car's...
Okay, hold on.
I also think we're
Unlock.
back up a little bit more. I don't think I'm going to make it.
Okay. Oh, no.
I'll tell you what. Back up a little bit because I can see this is.
All right, here, shut your hatch because we don't want to. We don't want to do that. Why isn't this opening?
Do you have the key?
Is the other one open on the other side? This is what happened to us down in Florida.
It is?
Yeah. That's weird. Why isn't this opening?
I don't know. Open your door first. And because we got to back up, Dave.
I know. I'll back up. All right, Kathy. False alarm on the door. As soon as I put the car and turned it on, it opened. All right. Let's.
Okay, and we backed up the car, so now we should.
Oh, yeah, we backed up the car.
Room. Oh, and then.
Okay.
Now,
Well, let's go see if it's here. Jump in the driver's seat.
now this flashing.
Jump in the driver's seat and tell me if it's working. This is historic.
Returning.
So it's going to take a little time for it to do the communication protocol.
Got my fingers crossed. I've
Yeah.
been waiting.
But we've got this now plugged in with the adapter. Boy, these cables are short. That's for sure. And
Still on the death spiral.
the death spiral. Okay. Let's see how long this takes. Dun, 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 dun. Anybody know any jokes? You got any good jokes? Why did Kathy go to Harriman?
Yeah, this was all part of my master plan. To get you to take.
Oh,
me to the
what happened there?
Not possible, I think it said.
Charging not possible?
Yep.
Please see message.
Where? What?
I don't know. Let's try it again. Maybe we just waited too long. All right. Oh boy. Let's try it again. All right, go back onto the app and say charge here. Start charging. Okay, can you flip down that flap there for me? From the top, yep, there you go. Okay, good. All right, now we're in. And hopefully it's gonna work.
Unable to
charge. Okay.
Not happy, Porsche.
Or are you blaming Porsche or Tesla? Who are we
I'm not
blaming?
blaming Tesla. I'm blaming Porsche. I believe the problem is with them.
Okay.
That's what I.
All right. Let's try this.
You want to put in the Cayenne? Let's pretend I have a Cayenne.
All right. Yeah.
I mean a Taycan.
Taycan. A Cayenne EV. That'd be cool.
Okay, you stop filming and let's try to figure this out.
All right. I'm going to give this a shot. So we're going to choose post 3C. Start charging. We still have the Macan listed there. We're going to grab this. We're going to grab this. In here. We're in. Okay. Now, let me see the camera there. All right. Let's see. Please wait. Compatibility mode active. I don't know what that means. Target charge. Battery's charging.
Oh, aren't you special?
Target charge 95%.
Wow.
We have ignition.
Wow.
Houston, we don't have a problem.
Spec Dave with the magic touch.
Well, I'm not sure why.
Maybe I forgot to hit that 3C.
But
the
if
second
you don't
time I
charge,
did
maybe
it.
you picked the wrong one.
Oh, maybe I did that.
Maybe you picked 1C or something
Okay,
like
but
that.
This is great.
Yeah, no, this is good. Now, a couple of things, Kathy. You won't actually charge anywhere near as fast as if you were on, let's say, one of the EV Go's over there.
I know that.
Right?
But when in this situation where I want to shop at the outlets, I'm okay with that.
Yeah, that's true.
But I understand that.
There you go.
I know, it's
Because,
not the
you know, because this is the car itself will only charge maybe, I don't even know what, but listen, you're getting 130 kilowatts, and I would say that, you know, at a 34% state of charge, we'd be pulling on an EA, you know, a lot faster, probably twice as fast to, you know, maybe.
But for me, Dave, I think the point is I want to have the ability to charge wherever I
Yeah.
am.
So this is good. This is major. This is a huge win. I think it's time to go shopping. And
Music to my ears.
I would say this is good. So, all right. We are charging at a Tesla. First time for the Connor family.
All right, so Kathy, this is great.
Great.
Little bit of false alarm. So you know what it is I was thinking is that because Tesla realizes over in Norwalk, they have that magic dock at the new Wegmans, they probably weren't lighting up other V3s in the area. And the V3s that are in Darien are some of the oldest V3s out there. So those are not compatible. But if once I broaden the search a little bit more, it showed this particular station here, which is Harriman. So all good. I would say it'll be interesting to see how many more stations there are. And you know what we're going to do later tonight? We're going to check the app and we're going to see if the Naples V3, actually V4 charger is something that you'll be able to charge. I believe it will be, because that is a non-Magic Dock V4 charger. So Kathy, what do you have to say? How happy are you?
No, I'm ecstatic. This is so great. Can we go shopping now?
Let's go shopping now. Well, everyone, thanks again for watching another episode of Out of Spec Dave. I am pumped, I am psyched, but not as psyched as Kathy is. We are in business. Thank you, Porsche. Thank you, Tesla. I don't know what that false alarm was there, why it didn't work the first 2 times. But if, you know what that tells you, keep trying, because it will work. As long as it says adapter supported, you can charge your Macan, at least here in Harriman. Anyway, take care, everyone. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.